again with another video, as you can see. And first things first, drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And thank you guys for joining. For the new ones and the returning, thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment. Like, I love when you guys leave comments because I get to actually interact with you guys, because or else I'm just talking to myself. I'm really just talking to my phone, and it's kind of like, oh. But I know you guys love to comment too, so just keep them coming. Keep them coming. But so I'm just gonna get right into the video. Today's video is gonna be a lip monthly video. So let's get right into it. Let's see what Lip Monthly has to offer us. What it has to offer Clay. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the bag. Oh, look at all these little hearts, and it's pink. That's always. This bag is so adorable. I cannot. Okay, so the first thing that I am seeing is a Sorbet Treatment Cosmetics Natural Green Tea Blotting Paper. Oh, okay, that's cool. Just blot it out. How adorable. And then there's, like, I guess demonstrations on the back there. Let me get a little closer so you guys can really see. That's what it looks like, the packaging. Oops. This is cool. Final touch in an all-day perfect finish. Coola boola. Oh, I see. This one is showing where the problem areas are, and this is where you should blot. And this is the actual paper, I'm guessing, and it's green. And then that's the finished. But next, we have a Lip Monthly lipstick. How cute. They got their own brand. They branded on them. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's open this baby up. Is it? Yeah. But let me see. So this is regularly $7.50. And this Lip Monthly lipstick is regularly $16. But let's see what it actually looks like. Give you guys a little swatches. Oh, it's so cute. It's super branded. Oh, I've gotten this color. I don't know if by this brand, but I have this color. I remember seeing it, but give you guys a little swatch. Ooh, that's cute. Let me go ahead and close it all the way down though, and then let you guys see it. Look at that. Little like orange, red, coppery tone. It's mad cute though. I'm enjoying it. And it's in the color 01. Alright, let me close that on up. Next thing is a Hikari lip gloss in Castle. Let me go ahead and open it for you guys, for you lovely ladies. Oh wow, this is, ooh, okay. I'm not even mad. I can't wait to try that. That gives me like goals, to be honest. Like, that's gonna be like, I don't even have anything on. But this is regularly $13. Give you guys a little swatches of it. Ooh. Oh, and it smells mad delicious. It has a little bit of a tint to it. Oops. It smells like candy. But that's what it looks like right there. And the last thing is this little guy. And it is a Par and Glam Cosmetics eyeliner pencil. waterproof eyeliner. Oh, it's a waterproof lip and eyeliner pencil. That's cool. And it looks like it's kind of like a red color. And it's regularly $15. See if I can open it. Okay, that's good enough. Ooh, oh, that's nice. Sure, with a little cranties, but he has a little. Oh man! Let me go ahead and cover this on up before anything bad happens to the baby. But look at how pigmented that is. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Are we okay? That's definitely like lip status for real. Man, that's cute. That's like a deep red. Like a burgundy. First of all, good job, Lip Monthly. Good job. And the total of all of these items is $52. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments any items that you were overly zealous about. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye.